Hello everyone, welcome you all in my YouTube channel Engineering Guru 2010. In this video, I will cover one more important topic, that is classification of pump. Let's start with the classification of pump. We know that pump is defined as a machine which, when the driven from external source such as electric motor, lift water or some other liquid from lower level to higher level. We already know that it converts the mechanical energy into hydraulic energy. Hydraulic energy means pressure energy. So pumps widely used for water or liquid deliver from lower level to higher level. Now understand the classification of pump. Pump basically divide into three main types. First, that is rotodynamic pump, second positive displacement pump, and third other type. Rotodynamics, this is a two word. First, that is roto and then dynamic. Rota means rotate and dynamic means increase the pressure of liquid. So rotodynamic pump, the liquid rotodynamic pump, the liquid is subject to whirling motions means rotation motion by rotating disc having number of blade. Usually that number of blade use 6 to 12, known as impeller. The gain the kinetic energy of the liquid is converted into pressure energy inside the pump. Now rotodynamic pump is divided into three main types. First one, that is radial or centrifugal pump. Centrifugal pump is most widely used rotodynamic pump, and it is suitable for low head and high pressure. Centrifugal pump may be defined as if the mechanical energy is converted into pressure energy by the action of centrifugal force acting on the fluid. So the hydraulic machine is called centrifugal. So most widely used pump, that is centrifugal force. Now second one, that is axial force. We can see that this is the image of axial flow or propeller pump. Now third one, that is mixed flow pump. This is the image of mixed flow pump. So these all are covered in dynamic pump. Now next one, that is positive displacement pump. So positive displacement pump, small quantity of liquid is taken inside the pump and it is positively displaced on the delivery side under the pressure. The liquid inside the positive displacement pump may be subject either to a reciprocating motion or rotary motion. So that's why it divided into two types, reciprocating pump and rotary pump. So based on this, divide into two types. First one, that is the reciprocating pump, and another one is rotary pump. Rotary pump divide into four main parts. First one, that is piston. Piston reciprocate inside the cylinder and the reciprocating motion is obtained by means of connecting rod. The piston is connected to the connecting rod by means of pin. So in this image you can see that this is the piston. Now next one is the plunger pump. Plunger pump is a positive displacement pump which used to pump small amount of liquid at high pressure. It is similar to the piston pump, in which the piston is replaced by the plunger. So this both pump working are same. In this piston pump, piston we use, and in this plunger pump, plunger is used instead of piston. Now next one is bucket pump. It is the vertical reciprocating pump. Mostly it is driven by hand, hence popularly it is known as hand pump. So in this image you can see that this is the hand pump, this is the bucket hand pump. And final, that is diaphragm pump, and this is the image of diaphragm pump. The diaphragm pump, also known as membrane pump, is positive displacement pump that use the combination of reciprocating action of rubber, thermoplastic or Teflon diaphragm and suitable valve on the side of the diaphragm of the fluid. So these all are covered in reciprocating pump. Now
First open YouTube and write down Engineering Guru 2020. Search this is Engineering Guru YouTube channel. Open this and subscribe this for more updates. Various playlists available here. You can see this is for various subject. This is for velocity diagram, uniform velocity, for cam profile, synthetic linkage, and more video, more playlists are here.
Now rotary pump. Rotary pump divided into four main types. The first one is gear pump. You can see that this is the image of gear pump. Rotary pump is the positive displacement pump with rotary motion. Remember this thing, in reciprocating pump the motion is reciprocating, but whenever we are use rotary pump the motion is rotary motion. In rotary pump the liquid is entrapped in a reduced passage between the two set of engaging surface such as gear lobes, vein, screw, etc. And the pressure rise obtained. There are the suitable pump, viscous fluid like vegetable oil, lubricating oil, grease, etc. Here, this is the gear pump. Gear pump is the positive displacement pump with rotary motions. It consists of two identical intermeshing spur gear. Here, using spur gear, that's why its name is gear pump. Now, next one is vane pump. Vane pump, it is also one type of positive displacement pump with rotary motion. It consists of cylindrical casing in which an eccentric rotor is mounted. The rotor has about 4 to 8 slot contain the slide vane. This vane can slide radially into the slot. Springs are used to press the vane against the case. So this is called vane pump. Next one is screw pump. Screw pump is also one type of positive displacement pump with rotary motion. It consists of two mating spherical groove rotor with very small clearance. These two gears are housed in the cylindrical casing with inlet and outlet ports. So that's why it is called screw pump. And final, that is the lobe pump. So these all are covered in rotary pump. And final one, that is other type. Other type divided into two types. The pump which do not belong the category of positive displacement or rotodynamic are classified as other type of pump such as jet pump and airlift. So here this is the image of jet pump. This is the image of L. So this is the classification of pumps. So in university exam, the question may be asked like write down the classification of pump and explain any one pump with need sketch. So in next upcoming video, I will cover individual pump construction and working principle with the applications. If you find my video very helpful, you can subscribe my YouTube channel, join us on FB page, join us on Telegram channel, WhatsApp channel, Engineering Guru 2020. If you find my video very helpful, you can like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Stay on this channel. More video will become of playlist